checked on our bags and come to meet my niece. Tyler, look. Finally get to meet my niece. Look at Tyler begging a kiss. Tyler been begging for a kiss. Tyler, your friend, say bye.
Mr. Birthday.
Tyler made some friends on the plane. Hey. He just one kiss. Bye. Same to you. Come on, your son, give her a kiss. Come, give her a big kiss now. Big kiss, Dad, big kiss.
Okay, come on,
She wants the kiss. All right, give her the kiss now. Give her a kiss.
Come right here, give her right here.
Tyler's struggling to kiss his cousin. Kiss her. Olivia, my gosh, my precious niece. She's so much more gorgeous in person. Look at you, girl. I love your glasses. Look at you. This is medicated. It's perfect.
I have to meditate. I cannot see.
My flight is delayed by an hour and a half.
That's fine.
Jeez. Tell her who is that. And my sister-in-law is here.
Oh my God.
Here. She making her debut on the vlogs. Yes. My camera is down, but the phone will do. Who is that? Uncle Conrad coming with your gifts, okay?
Oh, that's him. I see him. Hold, watch it.
Livy Boo Boo. Give me kiss. Give auntie one more. Give auntie one more. Give auntie some of your tea. Give me some of your tea. Give auntie some of your tea. One more. You want to another one? Whoa! And of course my sister-in-law come bearing gifts. Sorry. Tyler, what is that?
You come on, take it out.
It's Paw Patrol? Take it out. Where is he? He's gone?
He's gone.
Damn, he passed and I don't see him.
He just drove off. Tell me if you want to come with us for a little bit. You want to come?
I think
We'll
I
get something
should.
to eat. Yeah.
But
We already checked in.
I don't even know if I should find out about my flight.
We can go in and find us and then I'll tell you to circle back.
Yeah? Which one is? Don't do away with the bags because I'm going to have to carry the bag.
I'm going to hold you.
Tyler, who is that? What? Auntie bring you gifts.
You want to see the other one?
You want to see the other gift?
No. I didn't have time for wrapping paper. This is so good.
No, you find time to go and buy all these things, woman?
It's 3 gifts for 3 years, okay?
You're a hot mess.
What's this one?
You're a hot mess.
What's this one? Come on.
Jesus have mercy, you are feeding into his Paw Patrol addiction. You are feeding his Paw Patrol addiction.
Okay, you want to see the best part, Tyler?
There's another one.
Are you ready?
Livy was laughing, giggling with me when you're gone. I was kissing her up and she was giggling. What is
Come
it?
on, take it out. You want to go outside with Auntie?
Open it. What is it? Oh!
So you can call Mama while she's in the kitchen.
Yes! Oh my gosh, you guys, look at my niece. Oh my god, look at her. Hello. Anika, you, look. 3 gifts for your 3 birthday. You're 3 today.
Good job.
You know I'm gonna have to pull these and put them in a bag.
This one, take this out because then we can just hold this. This one you can always put that in your bag because it's just walkie-talkie.
Damn, but if
This
you
is the
had,
big one.
if you had called me, they could go in the blue suitcase
I
because
was
there's
shouting
space.
your name. I
Oh
was like,
my
Melissa,
God.
Melissa for the longest. And the lady was like, no, she's gonna come back around here. And I was like, she's like, wait, no, she's not. She's not coming back around here.
Yes.
Do you want to play with one now?
You wanna him say more open it. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I may look a little bit different in terms of quality and stuff. That is because I have really bad news. Last night at the end of Tyler party, we were catching some final footage and my camera slipped out my hand and fell. So right now we have to go back to where we started, and that using my phone. So today I have to be vlogging from my phone. Tyler is here. Tyler, say hi, Faith.
Hi, Faith.
Where are we?
I say, hi, phone.
Hi, phone. Say, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
How old are you today?
Wee.
Yeah, you guys, we are on our way home. I haven't picked up the phone all morning because I was kind of sad leaving Jamaica, 1 and 2, my camera fell and broke, so I haven't vlogged. But I left Jamaica. My flight was on time. I traveled on the bus from Kingston to Montego Bay this morning. Don't do that. From Kingston to Montego Bay this morning. That was on time. My flight from Montego Bay to Newark, New Jersey was on time. So I'm actually in New Jersey right now. And my flight from New Jersey to Germany is delayed an hour and a half. So I'm just here trying to wait on some food. That way I can take on the flight with me, because this flight is really stingy and they don't really serve food much in comparison to when I used to travel on American Airlines. So I'm getting some food to go for Thailand. And while I got here, my sister-in-law and my brother came to see me because she lives in New Jersey, so they drove by. It's the first time she met Tyler, and that was amazing. And it's the first time I met my niece, so I got to play with her. I got to kiss her for the first time. I know my heart is complete. I got to meet my niece, and my sister-in-law got to meet Tyler. And my brother, of course, was in Jamaica for my grandmother's funeral, so he got to meet Tyler. So right now we are waiting on food to board our flight to Germany, and then our flight from Germany to France is delayed by 4 hours. Normally I would have go through the airport and I would have just 40 minutes wait before I get my flight to Nice, but now I'll have 4 hours instead of 40. I guess because my flight from USA to Germany is delayed, so they put me on another flight that way. Because in any case I would have missed that flight originally, so I guess it is what it is. It happened with flight, but that's okay. I'm just eager to go home to my husband. I miss him so much, and I can't wait to just go home and get some well-needed rest. I have been up and down and busy for the past week. I haven't rested. I haven't slept one complete night since I'm in Jamaica for the past week, and my body's super tired, and so is Tyler. And we're just looking forward to go home and see babe and let Tyler pull all his gifts. And my sister-in-law came with a bunch of gifts for Tyler. I'll insert all the clips of her that I took just now, and insert clip with my little precious niece that I just met. So yeah, we're just here waiting on our food. That way I can go to my gate. I'm just right beside my gate, so I have my boarding pass and everything, so it's just to go through security, and then we'll be well on our way home. Honey, we're coming. And Tyler is so excited to go home and meet Papa. So anyway, you guys, I decided that one way or the other you guys will be getting the vlog. So I'm back to my phone, but I'm gonna go home We're at the airport.
At the airport. There's some plane.
Yeah. As I go home, I'm going to check my camera out because something is definitely wrong with this. It's not turning on and stuff, but that's okay. Well, it's not okay, but hey, it is what it is. Life goes on. I decided that I wouldn't even cry about it, didn't even think about it because I can't do anything from here. So I'm going to see if it needs to fix or I have to buy a new one. But either ways, I can't do without my camera. So as I go home, I'm gonna have to find a solution right away. Anyway, you guys, our trip in Jamaica was good while it lasts. Now it's time to go back home, back to reality. We'll catch you guys on our way. So see you guys later. He's so funny. We are in Germany right now, waiting our final flight to go home. It's been super exhausting, but we're almost there, and I'm just so excited to go see babe and just get some well-needed rest. Our flight was delayed a few hours, so we have like another hour before our flight is ready to go. But we're doing well and we're just excited to go home. Tyler is enjoying the scenes of all the airplanes and naming everything that he's seen passing. But yeah, I'm just so ready to go see my baby. Tyler, you have to look good for Papa now, okay? Look good for Papa. You see Papa? You see Papa? Look in front of you. Who is that? Papa. Yeah. You guys, guess who is home? We are home, and as I got in the house, I went straight to the shower to get a fresh. I just needed it. And of course, I am vlogging from my phone because, as I told you guys, my camera is gone for now, but I had to find a way to vlog. So I'm back to where it all started with my phone. But babe and I are going to sort the camera out tomorrow, so we should be back to better content than my phone. It's good to be home. It just feels good to be home. It doesn't really matter where you are. You could leave your house and go to paradise. When you come back, it just feels right. It feels good to be home, though I miss my family. This morning I was crying in Montego Bay because one of the control officers asked me the purpose of my visit, and I just looked down on my shirt and I started crying because I wear my grandmother's shirt home. Oh, baby, they miss you in the vlog.
I'm back. Well, I won't say I'm back. I was there, so yeah.
I miss you so much, but I'm back. And they miss you in the vlogs, honey. 1 week of no baby in the vlog. How is that even possible? So right now, baby's taking out Tyler gifts that we bought for him before I left to Jamaica. You need me?
Yeah.
Before we left to Jamaica, so we're going to let him open his gifts, man. You remember it's your birthday when you were on the plane, right? Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Look there.